Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have the one of the best vlogging camera from Canon series. As of today, the Canon R50, interchangeable camera. And again, we will try to balance with one of the smallest DJI stabilizer, the DJI RS3 Mini. Actually guys, when you go to the website from the DJI, if you check the compatibility, actually the R50 is still not in the list. So meaning, I don't know if you can use the record button, but it doesn't matter. We will use only the stabilizer as for just to stabilize your video with the Canon R50. So without further ado guys, let's try to balance the Canon R50 with the DJI RS3 Mini. Yan guys. So if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So without further ado, let's start now this how to balance. Yan. Okay. Just remove the plate. Okay. If you have your coins, it's very important, very useful. Okay, this is standard balancing, vertical. Okay, first you have two clips here, one, two. Unlock this clip. Okay, it's so to make it forward. Okay, then lock. Next is this part. Just unlock and make sure the camera is pointing from up. Yeah, so lock again. Sorry, mali. Lock. Now again, we need to make sure when you make the camera pointing for a direction, it will not move. So meaning this is already balanced. Next is this part, guys. Just unlock this area. You have lock button. Okay. So it's heavy here. We need to make it left, going to the left side. More, then straight balance. Now you have a perfect balance from both motor. Next, this area. Okay, let's unlock. Yeah, so not 100% balance, it's okay. Make sure when you make, when you tilt a little, one, yeah, and let's go. Yeah, it's locked. Okay, now let's try to turn on the camera, the stabilizer. Let's turn on the stabilizer, the DJI, and done. Then we make a calibration. Okay. And that's it guys. So you have now your um, Canon R50 perfectly balanced to the DJI RS3 Mini. It's a perfect combination from Canon camera with the DJI RS3 Mini stabilization. So, and guys, if you want to check more reviews or balancing from RS3 Mini, check to my previous blog. And again, if you want to check the price and availability of the product from Canon, Canon cameras, and DJI stabilizer and drones, visit our website www.aabworld.com. So yan guys. Oh, see? Okay. It's perfect. Right? FPV, 3D roll. See? So you have a perfect balance camera. So I think that's it for today guys. Again, flex time first. I want to flex Palaboy OFW sa likod ng ating camera. Check nyo yung channel niya. Please subscribe to the channel regarding OFW life here in Kuwait. Sa mga kababayan natin, kung saan kayo nasa mundo. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano pinagagawa ni Robert dito sa Kuwait. So yung mga buhay-buhay namin dito, mga OFW.